This is all fairly speculative. It might not mean anything. One of the things you learn about the Jardaan is that they seeded all the worlds with various different plants and animals. So this might just simply be one of the plants that they were planning to seed it in on. There's no reason to suppose it's anything more than that. The part where it gets to be a little bit more significant is when you get to Key Tessera, the control center for Meridian. And especially when you go into the research wing.
Look at all these plants.
How are they surviving?
When you go into the research wing, there are trees everywhere. There are just trees all over the place. And finally, when you get into the area where you find all the sort of prototype Angaran, there is a giant tree in the middle of the whole space.
I have seen organisms like this on Habar.
Now, the theory offered at the time is that this tree must have been a prototype that the Jardaan were planning to use as a genetic template. However, there's something very odd about this. That doesn't really make sense when you sort of consider it. They would normally be stored in seed banks.